Very hello and welcome to another topic. And in last topic, we have seen that how we can use a foundation model in AWS. And in this topic, we would be looking at fine-tuning actual model. Fine-tuning allows us to customize a duplicate of an existing foundation model using our own dataset. During this process, the internal weights of the original model are adjusted to better fit our specific needs. When preparing our training dataset, we must ensure it follows the required formatting structure, and it must be required to store in Amazon S3. It's a service. Amazon S3 is a storage service by AWS. It's also important to note that fine-tuned models require provision throughput, and only certain models actually support fine-tuning. Instruction-based fine-tuning improves how a pre-trained model. So we will see that in next that what is instruction-based fine-tuning. Instruction-based fine-tuning improves how a pre-trained model performs on specialized or domain-focused tasks. It works by continuing the model's training on a data from particular field or subject area. This type of fine-tuning uses labeled dataset that contain prompt and response pair. The example that you can see here is demonstrating a simple prompt asking who is Cristiano Ronaldo, and corresponding is the model completion, that what would model complete when we try to write who is Cristiano Ronaldo. So as you can see that here. Continued pre-training involves using unlabeled data to extend the training of a foundation model. This is often called domain adaptation fine-tuning because it helps the model become more specialized in a specific subject. For example, you could train a model on the full AWS documentation, so it becomes deeply knowledgeable about the AWS services. This method is especially effective for teaching industry specific vocabulary, acronyms, and technical terms. Uh, Another advantage is that the model can continue learning as new data becomes available. Singleton messaging Singleton messaging is a part of instruction style fine tuning. It consists of a system message which sets the context for the interaction, and then a list of individual messages. Each messages include a role, either the user or the assistant, and the content, which is actual text of the message. The example shows a simple interaction where the user asks what is AWS, and the assistant responds accordingly. As you can see, it's Amazon Web Services. Multi-turn messaging is used when we want to fine-tune a model to handle full conversations instead of just single question and answer exchanges. Chatbots operate in a multi-turn environment where messages alternate between the user and the assistant roles. In the example shown, the user asks about Amazon SageMaker followed by additional questions, and the assistant responds step by step, creating a coherent conversation. As you can see here in the example that is by system and the user's role, you can actually read that how a model is responding, how a assistant is replying. So, some key points to remember: that full retraining a foundation model would be significantly more costly. That is an absolute truth. Instruction-based fine-tuning is generally more affordable because it uses lighter computation, and it typically requires smaller data sets. The process still demands skilled machine learning engineers, and you need to prepare the dataset, carry out the fine tuning, and assess the model's performance. Operating a fine tuned model also comes with higher cost due to the need for provisioned throughput. So yeah, this things is a necessary thing to keep in mind. And transfer learning is the broader concept of reusing a pre-trained model to adapt it to a new related task widely used for image classification and for NLP. Models like BERT and GPT uses transfer learning. Yes, this is an important concept that can appear in exam as a general machine learning concept. Fine-tuning is a specific kind of transfer learning. So we see that in detail. And yes, so fine-tuning use cases is creating a chatbot with a customized personality, tone, or focus function such as customer support or marketing content generation. And another major use case is updating a model with more recent information that was not a part of original training data. This helps the model to stay relevant and accurate in fast changing industries. Fine tuning is also powerful when working with proprietary or private datasets such as old emails, internal communications, or customer service logs. This allows the model to deeply understand your organization's unique style and knowledge. So, finally, fine tuning is ideal for highly specialized tasks, and whether it's classification, evaluation, or improving accuracy in very specific scenarios. And yes, so that is all for this topic. And from next topic, we would be looking at the FM evaluation. So that's foundation model evaluation. And yes, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to like this channel, subscribe to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment. And yes, thank you very much.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.